This wallet has an all-metal aluminum build that can hold 4 to 6 cards. It's RFID safe and can protect from card skimmers, and the best part? Hey everyone, what is going on? I am back with another video, and today we are taking a look and doing a little bit of a hands-on on the card protector from Secrid. Or is it Secrid? Secrid? Whatever it is, it's a cool product. This one that I have is the black version of their signature card protector. But they have a bunch of different colors, red, blue, orange, and as well as a bunch of different designs that you can choose from as well. But not only that, if you're someone who doesn't carry only cards like me, and actually carries cash, they have wallet versions as well, the slim wallet or the double wallet. Now you're probably wondering, what the heck is this thing? Well, it's a wallet that holds 4 to 6 credit cards and is RFID safe, which basically means it stops you from card skimmers. Now, if you don't know what a card skimmer is, there are certain credit cards that are contactless. So basically you can take the credit card and just tap for your payment. But then there are people who are able to use whatever devices, card skimmers, to somehow access that using electronics without really having to get that close. But what this does is, because it's all metal with aluminum, it protects you from those card skimmers. Basically because the card skimmers can't read through the aluminum. But the most interesting part of this product, I would say, is the trigger. It has this little thing that you press here that'll raise up all of your cards in one go. And then you can take it and you would choose whatever card, because you have all your cards handy and accessible right there. And man, does this give a satisfying feeling. Just listen to that. Ooh. It's 64 by 102 by 8 millimeters. If you've got a stack of credit cards, it's gonna be a little bit wider than that, a little bit thicker, but all in all, not that heavy or large. Basically, without any cards in it, it's 48 grams or 1.69 ounces. But when it does have cards in it, it's a little bit heavier, but not super heavy. I got this when I was on vacation in Canada, and I gotta say that it's a little bit pricey at $45 US. But here's the thing about that. For $45, you're paying for excellent build quality. It's got an all aluminum metal body with a little bit of plastic at the bottom and then a plastic trigger. On the inside, it has a little plastic riser, which is when you push the trigger, it raises up all of the cards. And then it resets itself using a metal spring inside. And on the inside, on the two outer edges, there's red felt, which helps the cards slide up and down without damaging the cards or damaging the inner edges of the case. It's got an extremely minimalist design with only one single logo. But because it is aluminum, it is likely to get scratched because of keys, and if you drop it, it is also likely to get dented. But if you are worried about the aluminum getting scratched or dented, they do have a slim wallet, which is basically the card protector inside of a wallet, and it also has space for more cards and to put your bills. But the downside of that is it is twice the price at about $89. Again though, you would be paying for an excellent build quality. I definitely understand being worried about this product. All in all, despite those issues, the aluminum does feel hefty and premium. It seems to also be made of stainless steel, and apparently on their website it says that it is impervious to water. But salt water can affect the metals, so what you want to do is, if you get salt water in it, is it says clean it out with fresh water. I mean, I haven't tested if it's waterproof or not, but there's a sense of security knowing that I can get water in it and not have to worry about it. I get it though. I definitely understand the worry that comes with this product because it's expensive, and because it has moving parts, it could break. But the cool thing is that it has a 2-year warranty. So if there's any issues that arise within those 2 years, the spring breaks, the trigger stops working, or if it arrives damaged to you, then they have the 2-year warranty to protect you. Even on top of that, if you open it up and check the instruction manuals, on the back it says how to register, and registering your product as a certified Secrid product means that you get an additional 1 year of warranty. So by picking up and registering the product, you get 3 years of warranty in case anything goes wrong with the wallet. On top of that, they'll give you a printable version of a certificate of authenticity stating that it's an authentic Secrid product. I'm not sure why you would really need that, but I guess it's a cool thing to have, stating that this is a real Secrid product. So I know I say this a lot, but I've been using it for months and I really enjoy it. This is probably my most said thing on this channel so far. It's just this really simple piece of tech. It's just a trigger that raises your cards up, but it simplifies your life and makes everything a lot cleaner. Plus, it's a really cool talking point, like, yeah, I got the bill, no problem. And they'll be like, whoa, what is that? And you'll be like, this is a Secrid Card Protector wallet. All in all, my final thoughts are this. For $45, pick this up only if you're really looking for a cool new wallet and don't carry any cash on you. And I know it might seem expensive, but with this $45 price tag, you get the following: a hefty durable card wallet, waterproofing, is RFID safe and protects from card skimmers, and a 2-year warranty, or 3 if you register it. And it's a really cool talking point. But if you're looking for something that can carry cash, I would suggest there are other products. Maybe look into the mini wallet, slim wallet, or twin wallet, as those might suit more people. I myself am just crazy and never carry any cash. Anyway, what do you think of the card protector from Secrid? Is it something you would pick up, maybe as a really cool gift for someone? Or do you actually only use credit cards like me? Let me know down in the comments below. Like the video if you liked the video, subscribe if you haven't, shout out to my patrons, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.